Hey guys, what's going on? It's Lindsey here, and today we have another review for you. What do we have here today? We have Lululemon Wunder Under Everlux High Rise Tight 25 inches, and these are brand new. I was so excited to try these on. Are they worth it? Are they not? Before I get into it, don't forget I link everything up below. When you shop directly from my links, it does help support my channel, and I appreciate that so much. As soon as I pulled these out of the packaging, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this color. This is the Storm Teal, and they seem to have this color in some other leggings as well. And they also have like a dramatic magenta. That's another trending color they have right now. And then they have like a brown, which they call espresso. They have kind of a purpley color, and then we have our black. So we have a bunch of different options, which I always love. Now, one thing that caught my eye was the waistband. So we're gonna go over, does it hit right or is it kind of annoying? So I went ahead, put them on, and it fit like a glove. These are a size 6, which is what I typically wear in Lululemon leggings. I typically wear a medium in Gymshark Vital Seamless. Now, the one thing about these leggings from Lululemon, that Wunder Under, is that on the waistband, they do have a kind of like a seam on top. So they don't have as much stretch as their Lululemon Align pant, in my opinion. So that's something to take note of. I do think they fit a little bit tighter than the Lululemon Align. So does the waistband pass the high waistband test? Yes, it does. And it hits well above the belly button. We also have an amazing feature that I saw. I was like, okay, I have to try these on, is that it V's down a little bit in the front. And I always like that because I feel like it elongates the legs on the side, which really hugs our curves nicely. So we do have a little V here, and we have a double layered waistband. And so with that, we have a little extra support where we can still breathe, which is always important. Then we have a front seam, which I had no issues down below. We do have a really small gusset here, and it is double layered. So the gusset in the middle of the legs here, double layered, which we love. Then we just have the one seam down the center, and it's the same color as the legging. Now, as I turn to the side, we are completely seamless along the leg, but we do have a little seam on the waistband here, and it's a little bit thinner compared to the front because we do have that nice V-up. Now, as we move around to the glutes, the second thing that I was super excited about is we have a V-up in the glutes. No scrunch butt, which I'm totally good with, but we have a V-up, and it accentuates the top of the glutes so well. I think it hits just nice. It really makes the backside look really good. We do have a seam down the middle here of the backside, but I'm completely fine with it. It blends in. And then we do have our Lululemon logo in the back. It is kind of that rubbery logo, if that makes sense, not the reflective one. And it's the similar color to the legging. It's a little bit darker, which sometimes we like the Lululemon logo to pop, but I do like how like chic this looks. Now, we do have a pocket in the very back. It is mesh on the inside, and we have plenty of room for a key fob, credit card. We can fit little snacks back there, whatever we'd like. That's in the very back. There's no pockets anywhere else on this legging. As far as the compression goes, I feel like these have a really nice compression. I don't think they have as much stretch as the Lululemon Align ones have. So that's just something to make note. The length, 25-inch, fit me very well. It hit right at my ankle. Wasn't too short, wasn't too long. You can look at my stats below. For me, these are a big yes, and I love this color. It's so perfect for this time of year. I'm going to go ahead and link these up below. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys later.